Good afternoon. I might be a little bit red because I was outside cutting up some wood, but I'm doing a little bit of a project and it's gonna take a couple days to do. I've been working on this yesterday and today, and I still have probably at least 1 or 2 days left. So I am actually making this right here. You can see, I'll have it linked below. And I came across this and I thought it was really pretty for what I'm trying to do here. And I'm actually going to match it on the other side of the fireplace. So this is where it's going to go, is here in this section. But then I also have this side, I'm going to, instead of a cat tree area, it's gonna be a bookshelf. So they'll be the exact same. However, I'm just making the cat one for now because the cats seem to want to be on the countertops. So I'm trying to make this as quickly and as nicely as possible before we get our floor in, one, because I'm going to be staining all of this and I rather stain it inside because it is winter out. So I'll just show you what materials you need and then we'll go from there. So you can see here, I have started the scratching post or the board that they climb, and I bought 2 rolls of this 1/2 inch sisal, I don't know how to pronounce it, twisted rope, and there's actually 100 feet on here already, and by the looks of it I need at least another 100, and it hurts your hands twisting this on, but I just used electrical staples to hold it on there. So I have to get 2 more. I was hoping I was only gonna take 2, but I clearly underestimated it. This is just a 1x6 fence board by 6 feet long, and it will be long enough for what I'm doing. That was, I believe, just $7 or so, and I used pressure treated because the pressure treated fence boards are actually cheaper than the pine. So it was gonna be covered anyways with the rope, so I didn't really care, and I just tried to find the cheapest thing possible. Here I have cut 2x2s into 12 inches long. I have 12 of them. Here I have 3 2x2s cut at 69 inches. So I ended up getting, I think it was 6 2x2s, and I ended up only using 4 because I actually found a leftover one somewhere. Then I have 1x10x6 pine. And this was the most expensive part out of the whole thing other than the rope. These were almost $9 a piece, and I have 6 of them. And I went around and cut in these holes so that the cats can transfer up through the shelves. So these will all be opposite. So it'll be on this side and then this side, so on and so forth. So I cut these holes in today and I sanded all these boards down yesterday, and then I sanded the holes today. But all of the other stuff has to be sanded still, so that's what I'm gonna be working on next. And then I'm gonna stain it all. And then I have just, they call it 1x2 by 8, and these I have I have 16 of these, and I bought 3 of them. Only ended up using like 2.5, but you can't get 2.5 out of 2, so I had to buy 3. And yeah, so that is all my material. Again, I have to get some more rope, 2 more of them from Home Depot one day, but that's not my main concern. My main concern is getting it up on the wall. So right now I'm going to finish sanding all of these pieces up, and then I have to stain it all. Done my sanding. I got all my little pieces here, my 2x2 supports there, and then I got those there, and I'm gonna stain all of this now. So this is the stain I'm gonna use. It's a gel stain, and I actually bought this for the fireplace mantle, which you'll be able to see in a little bit, but right now it's covered by the other boards, so I wanted it to match the mantle because it'll tie in to the fireplace. All the small pieces done, and now I have the 1x10s to do. the next day, and as you can see, I have all the boards stained. My camera battery died yesterday, so I just put these together. They're not screwed or anything yet, and I'm just taking I noticed that the girl that I watched do this didn't use a drill bit, so her boards were split. So I'm gonna use a drill bit to drill a hole first, and then I'm just gonna use some drywall screws, which will be plenty strong enough to hold each of the cats. So that's what I'm doing. Just set it all together. So basically I'm gonna make 3 of these and then hang them on the wall. So I have all 3 sections up, and I just have to add my little pieces that go in between. But the problem is I actually measured those pieces for here, and I forgot I shortened these sections here in between. So that means they're all too long. So I'm trying to figure out, do I leave them and just center them, or do I actually go and cut all those again, and then I have to stain them all again. So anyways, and then this, obviously, I haven't been to Home Depot yet, but this will go somewhere about there. So yeah, almost done getting there, and I need to find some finishing nails to put those on. But all right, I just put Harley up there. I'm gonna see what he does. Baby boy, look it. Here, come. Look. There you go. He wants to go on the outside. Baby boy. Nope. I knew he was gonna do that. He's gonna want to go to the window. What do you think? Come down the hose. So I drilled a bunch of holes on either end of my board, and I'm going to start placing it. Now I did mark 4 inches from the end here and here, so let's give this a try. It is all done. I just need to add that after I get more rope. Well guys, that's how I made my aesthetically pleasing cat tree. I will not take credit for this design. Again, I'll have it linked where I got the inspo from, and I will be doing the same type of bookshelf on the other side for books and just like, you know, everyday decor. And then this one will be the cat tree. So again, I just have to add more rope to this piece and put that on, and then it's complete. So I'm super happy with how it turned out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.